As the community continues to adapt to the changes around COVID-19, we wanted to take a few minutes to tell you what you can expect when you come to the hospital and what we're doing to keep you safe during your service here. When you arrive at the hospital, you'll be welcomed by one of our friendly greeters. If you are wearing a cloth mask or a mask from home, they will ask you to replace it for one of our hospital-issued masks. Our greeters will also be wearing masks for your safety. Our greeters will ask you a series of screening questions, and once they have completed, they will assist you to getting to registration so you can complete the process for your upcoming procedure. We ask that during this time, you not bring additional people with you to the hospital. If you have a caregiver or a support person that needs to be present during your procedure, we will ask them to wear a mask as well. We have reconfigured our waiting rooms to allow for the 6 feet of social distancing so everybody can remain apart and safe from one another. Depending on the services you are here for, your physician may have ordered tests prior to your arrival. Our staff will have your test results ready and available for the physician to discuss with you prior to your services. While you are here, our care staff will be communicating with you or a designee to make sure that you are updated on all aspects of your care. At CHI Health, your safety is our priority. While things may look different, we are dedicated to delivering high-quality, safe care in a comfortable environment that meets your needs. Thank you for trusting us with your care.